Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, bears taking over after decreasing bear volume and the bulls holding the middle Bollinger Band 3 days in a row. We get an increase in bear volume dump day and breaking key supports. So if you've been watching these videos for the past 6 weeks, I have been very clearly bearish on Facebook compared to every other technology name, compared to every other name that dumped on the election day, and the bulls have done nothing to break the lower high pattern. We do have a couple higher lows to keep watching, but until we see a break of the lower high pattern, which Google and Apple have already done long ago, breaking the high of mid-November, the bears are still in control. So here we are seeing them take back over, breaking 117.61 support, has us looking down at 116.33, 114, and then down to 113.55. So all moving averages back to resistance. Bearish TCG cross is following through now. We did have a base of support at 118.51 and 118.48, and as soon as those levels broke at the open today pretty much, that was the bearish signal that the bears were taking back over. So the weekly time frame is right at the 50-week moving average support of 117.34. If we close below this level, we're just looking at the lows of the election dump, 113.55, as a clear support that the bulls need to hold. And after losing that 50-week for the first time in years, quickly regaining it, bulls got to be getting nervous that if we lose it this next time, are we going to be able to quickly regain it yet again? Looking at these shorter-term time frames, there was no doubt who was in control today, rejecting from all 5-minute moving average resistances right out of the gate, lower highs and lower lows. We did not confirm we did not get above the exponential moving average resistances, this 8 period here, for the vast majority of the morning. And really not until after 1 p.m. Eastern. So this trend was extremely strong for the bears for over 4 hours. And then it turned around at the end of the day just a bit. You can see the bulls defending support here, 116.93, 116.97, but very little upside into the close, which does continue to show that the bears have momentum into tomorrow. Oversold bounce on the hourly is underway. Potential bear flag forming. If we can't get over these exponential resistances, we will look for this short-term bounce to cool off the RSI before getting driven back down and setting new lower lows. So the bears are in absolute control of Facebook. A few support levels to be watching on the daily time frame. Tons of resistance levels to be watching on all kinds of time frames. We'll check back in tomorrow and see if the bulls can hold that 50-week moving average by the end of this week. We'll see you then.